to the 100+ people that subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Doxology Creations. It's your girl Natalie. So let me start off by saying to the 100+ people that subscribed to my channel, thank you. You know, we're finally at 100 subscribers and I'm so elated, I'm so overjoyed, and I thank each and every one of you for subscribing. You know, big up on yourself on a large. If you are new here to the Doxology Creations tribe, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So we're gonna get into today's video, and as the title of the video suggests, it's how to apply wing liner, and I'm gonna show you guys 3 different methods. Today is the start of my new how to beginner series. So in this series you'll be able to find all things beginner friendly, from putting on a wing liner, putting on lashes, how to do brows for beginners, how to highlight and contour. Now granted, I won't be putting out all of the content at once, but I'm just letting you guys know what to expect from this particular series. And today we're going to begin with how to do a wing eyeliner, and I'm going to show you guys 3 different methods for beginners. And please stick around to the end. I'll tell you guys what my recommended method is for a first timer doing the wing liner. So guys, further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so method 1 is the liquid pencil liner. In this method, the brand that I'll be using is a Sephora brush tip waterproof eyeliner, and I'll be using the brush tip. As you can see, the flexibility of the tip, you can literally bend it at a 90-degree angle. I'm going to begin in the center of my eyelid, as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm just starting with small brush strokes towards the outer part of my eye. Then I'm going to draw my line basically to outline my wing and then connect it to the end of my lid. Just attach them together pretty much and shade in where I have any space or skin, so to speak. And from here on out, I'm gonna basically make it as thick as I want, kind of giving it a better shape, going into the inner corner of my eyes with the same small strokes, but I want it as thin as possible in the inner corner of my eye and as thick as possible at the end, to give me like a nice, not too dramatic, but like perfect wing. As you can see, I'm still kind of outline trying to make it as perfect for me as possible. You know, you get the gist of it all when you kind of get a feel of your eye shape, so you know which one kind of suits your eye and how thick to make it based off of your eye shape. So as you can see, I'm doing it to the other lid. The line that I made on the other eye is not as defined as the first one, so I'm going to go ahead and go in and clean that up with some of my foundation, and I'll be using my flat tip brush. I got that from MAC, and I believe it's the M212 brush. I will link everything, not link, I will basically put everything in the description box. Now on to method number 2, the liquid liner, aka the wand method. Now I call it the wand method because, hey, this looks like a wand, right? So the brand I'll be using in this one is the Sephora long lasting eyeliner, and it comes with what looks like a wand to me, so I call it the wand method. And how I apply it is just the same. Start from the center of my lid to outline how thick I want it. Then I draw the outline for the actual wing itself and then connect it. And with this one, I had to go in and get a little bit more product because it was a little bit, it dried a little bit easy. So I just needed more product to kind of fill everything out. Going at the inner corner of my eyes, small strokes just to fill it in. Don't want it thick in there, just very thin to give me the perfect wing for my eye shape. I'm just going over it to make sure everything is black and bold, pretty much. I did the same thing to the other eye off camera, and I'm just cleaning up the wing, or the shape of the wing at the end. I'm not gonna lie, when I was filming this part, like, I was honestly kind of tired of the residue on my lashes, so that's why I put on mascara in this particular method. But disregard, and we're on to method number 3, the eyeliner gel. And the brand that I'll be using in this is the Inglot eyeliner gel. With this step, you will need an additional tool. The one that I'll be using for the demo is the Egshow angled eyeliner brush, and it's their E835 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip that brush in the actual gel liner, or the eyeliner gel, and kind of wipe off any excess and start the same exact way in the middle or in the center of my lid. And as you can see, with the eyeliner gel, it's a little bit thicker. So I don't treat the eyeliner gel as I would with the liquid liners, because it's gel. I kind of line my entire eye first, starting in the middle, then going to the corner, and then making my wing. And the reason why you need an angled brush for this particular method, because the angled brush is flexible, and it helps you to maneuver the product better, in my opinion. Okay, I'm making it a little bit thicker in that area just to give me a nice shape. Just go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around to this portion of the video. And as promised, I did say that I was going to give my suggested methods for beginners. And the best method out of the 3 that I would suggest for beginners is method number 1, where I did use the brush, the liquid liner brush, the brush tip. I did demonstrate the flexibility of the tip in the beginning of the video, and I think that works perfectly for people that are beginners. Also, it's a pen, or they call it a pencil. So it's a pencil, so you have absolute control over the product to basically draw on your wing liner. Just a little encouragement, it does take time to perfect the wing liner, and you will make mistakes. You will, as you can see, like some of my the wing itself, I had to clean up with foundation or concealer. So be patient with yourself, and just know that practice makes perfect. So This is the end of this segment, guys, and until next time, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Please like and share the video, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite method to do, and I look forward to replying to you all. Until next time, bye guys.